Phone photography, more seamless than ever before. Realme 11 Pro Plus. Zoom to the next level. Retain fine details, even when zooming and cropping. Powered by segment-leading camera hardware and the 200-megapixel OIS Super Zoom camera. The result of a 7-month partnership with Samsung, the all-new ISOCELL HP3 brings zoom capabilities to new horizons. The world's first ever 4x in-sensor zoom in a smartphone. From 1x, 2x, to 4x looseless zoom, ISOCELL HP3 extends the capability of your smartphone camera. With a press of a button, automatically zoom in on the subject with precise pro-level smart composition. When it gets dark out, ISOCELL HP3 shines to its full potential, packing the largest photosensitive area in Realme history and the first low-light galaxy detection algorithm. The camera dynamically adjusts the exposure, while the AI noise reduction software works in the background, making those magical night shots easier than ever to capture. And Super OIS technology, a game-changer in stabilization technology, providing anytime, anywhere stabilization that's locked in no matter how you move. Pro level for pro results. Capture new moments in new ways, more seamlessly than ever before. Realme 11 Pro Plus, 200 megapixels, zoom to the next level.